Alright, today we're going to show you how to replace the end of a rack and pinion steering without having to replace the whole rack. Now, as you can see here, this car was towed in, and what had happened was the guy had hooked the hook right here on the end of the rack and pinion arm instead of hooking it on the support on the wheel. And ended up bending this. This is called fishing when people tow cars like that and they don't know what they're doing. They just reach under there and try to hook something, and they end up getting, stuff like this, hooking the rack and pinion, pulling the car up on a ramp and end up bending it. So instead of replacing your whole rack and pinion steering, we're just going to take this one arm off, which inside of this boot here, you'll notice, it has a little clip here. These clips ain't meant to be taken off, but you can replace them. You take this off, pull the boot off, and this whole arm will unscrew here. And then you can screw the new one on, put the boot, slide the boot back on, and then reclamp this thing back on here. I don't recommend a hose clamp. You need to get a special crimping tool to crimp the metal back on here. And then it'll be good as new. This needs to be sealed because there's fluid that stays inside of here. And you don't want that leaking out. And that's pretty basically it, how to save yourself some time and effort without having to replace a whole rack and pinion.